Hey everyone, welcome to our video, where we'll be exploring the incredible possibilities of 3D printing and how it's shaping our world. From prosthetic limbs to entire buildings, 3D printing is revolutionizing the way we create and design objects. This technology is not only making things faster and more efficient, but it's also opening doors to possibilities we never imagined before. First off, let's talk about prosthetics. In the past, prosthetic limbs were bulky, uncomfortable, and expensive. But now, with 3D printing, they're affordable, customizable, and can be made in just a few hours. And it's not just for humans, 3D printed prosthetics are also changing the game for animals. Veterinarians are using this technology to create prosthetic limbs for pets and even wildlife. Now, let's move on to architecture. With 3D printing, architects can create complex designs that were once impossible to build by hand. And the best part is, it can be done quickly and efficiently. In China, a company 3D printed an entire 5-story apartment building in just a matter of days. And speaking of buildings, did you know that NASA is working on a project to 3D print habitats on Mars? That's right, with this technology, we could potentially build entire communities on other planets. It's mind-blowing to think about what the future holds. But it's not just prosthetics and architecture, 3D printing is changing the game in the medical field as well. Researchers are using 3D printing to create models of organs, allowing doctors to practice surgeries before performing them on actual patients. This technology is also being used to create custom implants and even synthetic skin. In conclusion, the possibilities of 3D printing are endless. It's revolutionizing the way we create and design objects, and it's opening doors to a whole new world of possibilities. The future is bright, and we can't wait to see what else this technology has in store for us. Thanks for watching.